Hey guys, I'll be showing you one awesome, beautiful Android settings today. So, it's a hack, that can give you a full battery percentage and a Wi-Fi connection. Let's try our hands on it. So you just go to your settings, man. So once you get to your phone settings, you have to scroll down to system settings. Then you see something like about phone option. Just click on that. Then you see something like build number option. Click on build number for like 7 times. Then you'll be asked to enter your pattern to confirm all your PIN. So boom, let's get back. We are now a developer here on our phone. We have gotten this option which was not here before. Click on developer option, turn it on. And once you turn this on, this is for advanced features only. So just scroll down to something we call system UI demo mode. Then make sure to turn this on. And from now, guys, we are going to have a full standby battery percentage and a Wi-Fi connection. Let's now click on show demo mode. Click on in 3, 2, 1, boom. Man, you can see our battery is 100% and our Wi-Fi connection is there. This is actually a prank. It's not working, guys. This thing is just showing you a demonstration of your phone, how a normal phone could be, a normal Android phone. It can, you can have a full battery percentage, you can have a connection, a SIM card, bar here, and the Wi-Fi connection as well, and many others. So this actually, a prank, just something like really cool to do. It's not something working, it's not something real. So I don't advise you to be using this in case you misuse it or you confuse it for the other. So let's try to turn it off and let's get back. So that's one of the hacks, advanced option in Android phone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up. For more tech videos, subscribe. Peace out.